this snow. Blizzard. Missouri Blizzard 2010. Sorry, 2011. Look at that. And we got a wreath up. Whoa, excuse me, dog. And there's nothing going on. Because the forecasters don't know anything. So, I am working on my hand drill. Hasn't been working too well. So I've got some yucca over here drying out by the heater. Oh, something just ain't right. And I got these guys cleaned out and re-salted and re-alcoholed for round number 2. And a fork. Maybe I'll smoke another pipe. Any suggestions you guys can tell me? Got some YouTube videos I can watch. I can start on the stems of those 2 pipes, but I want to try some of that bartender's friend on it. I don't want to bleach it. The old Peterson. I don't know. And then the other stem, the Barantini stem, is like a lucite, so you can't bleach that. Doesn't need to be bleached anyway. Doesn't have any teeth marks. I just need to alcohol treat it, alcohol clean it out. And maybe I'll try another hand drill fire again. Jay's probably out in the shed working on a pipe rack. I don't know. We'll keep you tuned into the Missouri 2011 Blizzard. Dun dun dun.